Delay, it comes down for Rutherford on her side. A joust. Teeler stays alive with the point. Nebraska, furious rally. Rutherford, Chrome to Delay. Punched up by Bosiger. Murray, denied. Murray, dug by Bevan. Over to Teeler, the middle blocker. Dug by her own teammate, Delay off the tape. A joust dug by Bevan. Murray tries to clean up the overpass. Dug in the back row by Whitworth. Pancake Rodriguez. Teeler whacks at it. Dug by Rodriguez. Murray. Delay. Murray near the net. Pin. Rutherford blocked. Teeler keeps it alive. Both players on both teams exhausted right now. And finally, Murray.